Good morning, everybody. It's Debbie with Almost Home Realty, and today we want to talk about cleaning your garbage disposal. First thing you want to do is you want to disconnect it from any and all power. So underneath your sink, or maybe a breaker, you just pull the plug, and then we can get started. So after I disconnected it from power, I'm going to take a brush and come down here and clean the underside of this flange. Get it all cleaned out. I'm also going to take the opportunity to look down inside there and see if there's anything that needs to be removed, anything hard or big that needs to be taken out. So that all looks good and clean. I'm going to plug it back in and we'll move on to the next step. So the next piece was to fill the sink up with water. I used warm water and flush it all out and run the garbage disposal. After I did that, I shut the water off and we're going to put in 2 cups of ice and 1 cup of rock salt. So we got the disposal all filled up with the ice and the rock salt. And then we'll turn on the water. And cold water. And then we'll turn on the disposal. And there you have it, a much cleaner, better smelling garbage disposal. They also did mention if you had some lemon peel, you could run those through, and that would help make it smell nice and fresh too. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week for another Maintenance Monday.